Okay, it looks like we are live. So welcome back. I'm going to be continuing to do game development. We're going to be working on our Pong clone. Yeah. So I've worked on it just a little bit since the last stream. Basically, I figured out the whole boundary checking, like collision stuff. Because that's what I was getting confused with, and the reason for that is actually, if you'll allow me to illustrate. Um, so I had like pretend this is like the window that opens, right? I thought that 0, 0 was there, and then like the highest value. Forgive my handwriting, but yeah. But it's actually not like that. This is actually here, and this is here. So that was throwing me completely off because I was not doing it right. So that's what the problem was. But I got that working now. So now we're checking the whole thing, and then we return true if not, and then we return false, and then we can use that both times in here. So let's see. Yeah, this one. We might be able to do sort of the same thing with the window. Right, like this. But I'm not gonna worry about that right now. So yeah, right now, if I start it up, let's build it and run it. All right, yeah. So now we have this. You still control both of them, but it bounces. The figures aren't quite like how they're supposed to be. If you're familiar with regular Pong, it's a little bit different, and I'll figure that out. But I'm not gonna do that at the moment. Right now, you can see it, and it just bounced off the wall. So that was a little weird. Okay, I'm not sure why that happened, but what we need to do is, I think it just got stuck. Yeah, it's stuck like that. All right. What we need to do is score, right? Because if you don't have score, then it's not really a game, right? So what we need to do is whenever it collides with either of the right or left walls, then we need to increment the score accordingly. So we could do something. Let me do this. There we go. We could do something kind of like that. So something that we should probably do is make a struct. I'll put it up here actually. Let's do type def. If I can type struct. And we will have a SDL rect. See, so this is like I'll just call it rect for now, and then we also need like an int score. And then this can just be called paddle, right? And then what we can do is whenever all right, here we can do paddle player, and then paddle that one. Then we can do player dot let's see, player dot, what did I call it? Rect, yeah. Player dot rect. Yeah. And then we'll have to do this everywhere that we handle this, but yeah. All right. Okay. All right. So we have to do that here as well. And I don't know how to do the multi-cursor thing yet. I'm working on that. So I just have to do this by hand right now. We could possibly query replace. Alright, well, let's see. It's not too much more. So player dot rect. Alright, do okay. Not for the ball. Player dot rect is what we have to pass here. And then that's 2 dot rect. Let's see, dot rect. Rect. Okay. No, not that one. Did that wrong. My bad. Alright, so let's see if it works now. Alright, Alright, so there's, oh, okay, I think that this is 101. Alright, let's go to line 101. Yes. Alright, and now, 69. Wait, what? Oh, no, it's not that. I was reading these line numbers and I got confused. Alright, 122. Alright, oh yeah, this doesn't work. Okay, that's line 114. Alright, that is 111. Oh yeah, right here. I literally adjusted the one next to it. Alright. Let's see, and that's 67. Forgot I dot. Alright, just a few more. So, yep. Get wrecked. 66. Yeah, just both of these in here. And then this should be the last one. Yes, alright, and now it should work the same as before. Yeah, alright, so that looks good. Yeah, so now we have the score, right? So each one has a score. So what we can do is if it hits the right wall, yeah, if it hits the right wall, let me see, where do we do that? So this is ball at X. Alright, so I think that this is the right wall. I'm not mistaken. So that is actually 2.score plus equals 1. And we can print f player enemy, and we'll just guess 2.score, no, player.score, and that's 2.score. Alright, and then I'll just yank this, and then on the other one, it hits the other side, which I think is here. So this is player instead of. Alright, so I believe that is right. Alright, okay. Okay. So I don't know why it starts at 60. Yeah, I need to actually start it. That would make sense. Alright, yeah. I need to initialize. So it'll start at 0. So I think I can do that just here. Whoops. Equals 0. Alright, shoot. Okay, so I guess that doesn't. So we'll just do that here. And we initialize them, right? Player.score equals 0. That's 2.score equals 0. Alright. And now, now it should be 1 for the player, 1 for the enemy. Alright, yeah, so that looks good. So now we just need to draw that on the screen, basically. Yeah, so I was looking at text rendering. It seems pretty complicated, not gonna lie. But I think if we use a library for it, I'm not gonna do it from scratch. I'm just gonna use a library. I think that would be helpful. Okay. So, I was looking free type, right? So, let's see. So, let's see about installing it. The new Plus Linux. Alright. Alright, let me look that up. Free type C. C. Give me a moment. Okay, let's see. So yeah, this is the website. Download. Let's look at the documentation. All right, tutorial. Let's see, is it in C? Da, 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 da. All right, free type 2. Computer fans are heating up. Sure it is. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Alright, let me actually modify the build file. So let's make a new tab and I open build. Let's see. So I might already have it installed. Alright, so let's see if that works. Alright, unrecognized option. Okay, so let me see if I can install it. Alright, so I actually do already have it installed. So that is just Alright, let's see that. I don't think that's gonna work. Yeah, okay. So let's see. Alright, shoot, let me do that again. Package config. Key flags, retype. Okay, so we need all these. Yeah, I'm not gonna create a variable thing right now and make it actually good. Let me see if that'll work now. Okay, no such file. Alright, so do I not have glib? Alright, I do have it. But that doesn't work. So I need this one. Because we have a different glib. Alright. Okay. Let's see, and it runs. Alright, so let's try including it at the top. So hashtag include t2 build.h, hashtag include t free type h. Okay. Alright, and yeah, so that worked with no problem. So let's see. Initialize the library. So we'll do that with along with SDL. Alright, so actually this looks a little nicer the way that they do it. Let's see. Let me Alright, that lets me see a little better. So let's see, that's all the SDL initialization here. So let's just SDL init and then free type init. Yeah, and then we'll just type that in here. So if we do t library ft, if ft init free type. Alright, so yeah, if that's true, this is in C++, I suppose, but I think it should still work. Error could not initialize free type. And we will exit. Okay, t face, if t new face, not slash area, no, 0 face, and yeah, I think that. Alright, so this is just loading the font, it seems. Whoops. Error could not load font. Alright, and actually let me do F for now. There we go. Let's be nice and fancy about it. And exit with them. Alright, so let's see if that works. Alright, fit undefined reference. Okay, let's see. Did I mess up a capital, or is there something else wrong? T2 bill. Okay, let's see. Let's see. FT. Init. Free type. Let me copy this. Whoops. Nice. Init. Free type. Alright, wait, what? Hang on a second. Alright, let me okay, I don't know what's going on, but let's just do that. No, do that. Then, alright, so this is copy and paste it directly from there. So, alright, so there is a different problem. Perhaps it was that thing that we did not include. Let me look it up though. Copy. Shoot, actually, that's not, I wanted to copy the whole thing. Undefined reference. Oh, it could be because of C. Alright, there we go, now it works. Could not load font. Okay. Almost works. That is probably a problem with my system. Yeah, so I don't have /font. So is it in user, actually? See, I forget where fonts are stored. Alright. Alright, let me try this actually. Etc. Shoot. Let's see. Slash. Let me look. Alright, and let's see. Alright, so that is not right. There are fonts on Linux. I forget where they are stored. So I have that. Oh, it's in user /shape. Okay, hang on, give me a moment. Yeah, alright. Let me put that. And there we go. Alright, now we go in here. We can get rid of all that. Whoops. There we go. Ubuntu. I just use that one because it's kind of like a default one. Alright, and we'll use mono. Ubuntu mono r.pt. Alright, let's see. Now that should be able to load. There we go. Alright, so it was able to initialize it. So now let's see how to use it. Alright, let me see. I kind of want to leave that open, but I don't want to, let me see. So, shoot, keep messing up. Alright. I'll just change this. No. Alright, I'll change this to like 15 instead of 20. Yeah, that's a little bit more space. So, let's see. Still in here. Define the pixel size. So I don't know what pixel size. I'll have to mess around with it, but 0.48. Okay. Let me see. Can I do that? There we go. Alright. Alright, if ft load character. Okay. Load character face X and ft load render. Yeah. Error failed to load glyph. And X1, and let me actually do ST there. ST there. Okay, let's see if that works. Alright, there's a problem. FT set pixel sizes. Alright, and let's see. Does it work? Yes. Alright, so that's good. So how do we display it? Alright. Choose max anytime we want to render a character on the screen. Alright. Yeah. So we will create a struct. This is a little bit different from our other struct, so. And yeah, we'll call it character sign int. Texture ID. Alright, so I can't do that. I'm not sure what that is. Let me see. Is this? Let's see what this. So. Alright, if error. My mic was muted that whole time actually. So yeah, ever since I've been back, basically my Wi-Fi went out, and I muted my mic until the Wi-Fi came back, and then it was muted. So yeah, I apologize for that. My bad. I don't think that's a keyword, so. Right, Alright, so let's make a rendered text, I suppose. Rendered text. Character. Text. Float x. Float y. Float sx. Float sy. Okay. Yeah. Const character p. For p equals text while p plus plus. Okay. If ft load character face p ft load render there we go. Okay, then continue. Okay, gl text image 2d gl text texture 2d 0 gl red bitmap dot width g bitmap dot rows and 0 and gl red and gl unsigned byte and g bitmap dot buffer. Okay. Float x2 equals x plus g plus g bitmap left times sx. Let's see, y2 equals negative y minus g bitmap dot width sx. W equals g bitmap dot width times sx. Actually, this needs to be sy. Float height equals g bitmap dot rows times sy. Okay. GL float box for 4 equals x2 negative y2 0 0 x2 plus w negative y2 1 0. Okay, x2 negative y2 minus h yeah, 0 and 1 right there. Yeah, and then finally x2 plus w negative y2 minus h 1 1. Right, and now that and gl buffer data gl array buffer size of box gl dynamic draw gl draw arrays gl triangle strip 0 4 x plus equals g advanced dot x divided by 64 times sx y plus equals g advanced dot y divided by 64 times sy. Okay, so that is the end of that. Let's see. Right, display gl clear color 1111 gl clear gl color buffer bit GL float black 4 equals 0, 0, 0, 1. See, I'll do that. GL uniform for VF, for FV, uniform color 1 black. Float S X equals 2.0 divided by glut window width. SY equals 2.0 glut window height. Render text function test. Negative 1 plus 8.5 times SX 1 negative 100.5 times SY SY. Okay. Glut swap buffers. Alright, and I don't know if this will work, but alright, yeah, so maybe I could work through some errors right now. A lot of them. Glut swap buffers. Alright, so that's not recognized. Glut window height. Alright, I might need to include something else that I did not include. Alright, alright, I have that. Include. Okay. So I've got an idea. ChatGPT. So let me do how to render text in OpenGL using C. Load a font. Alright, here is the example. Right, let me get rid of all the stuff that I wrote actually, because it is not going to be any good to us. Let's see, get rid of that. Yeah, so we can keep that. We can probably keep this as well. Oops, I messed that up. Alright, yeah. So that's what we want to get rid of. Okay. Can you provide an example? Let's see if ChatGPT can come up with something. Alright, GL. Alright, so that's what I was not including before, probably. Shoot, actually, I'm using SDL, not OpenGL. I don't know why I was thinking OpenGL. That's not what it is. Right, so actually, I want SDL. Whoops. SDL render fonts. Alright, render text. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Alright, get rid of this stuff. Okay, I've just been wasting the whole time because I thought I was using OpenGL for some reason. Font. Sans.tpl. Alright, I don't know if that's gonna work because. Alright, sorry, there is something that I'll need to include probably. Yeah, SDL TTF. Can I just include that? TL2 slash SDL TTF. Alright, let's see. SDL TTF. Alright, can we just include that like this thing? Okay, so it seems to have worked, I think. Alright, so that did break other stuff. Can I do SDL 2? Alright, okay, so let's see. So we want to do it, alright, let's see. So I think it should all still work without that. Yeah, so we have that. Let's see. On SDL 2. Okay, so right, is alright, TTF init. Oops, let me do that actually. Alright, so that is undefined. So it finds this SDL2 slash. Right, okay, so that's the font path. So let's see. So let's do SDL TTF. So we know where we're at. Right. SDL init. Alright, so I did that actually already. TTF init. That should work. TTF font equals TTF open font, and then so sans.ttf. In reference to this. Alright, I need to have a link with that. Let me do that. That's not what I wanted to do. We can do that and open. Nope, not that. Build.sh. Okay. So for now, I will go in here and do SDL2 TTF. Alright, and let's see. Alright, there we go. Now we've got that loaded. If not font, then printf. I could do that, right? Can't type anything, right? Error did not load font. Then exit with 1. Alright, and let's see if it can load it, because I'm not sure if I have that font. Alright, yeah. Can I do like Ubuntu? Whoops. Ubuntu mono. Let me see. /user/share/fonts. Ubuntu TTF actually. Let's try one of these. so that won't work. So I think I have to provide the full path. Alright. Alright, let me see. Can it load it now? No, it still cannot. Okay. Let's try the 121. Let me move this over here actually. So I can do slash Ubuntu slash Ubuntu mono R B. Yeah, bold. Alright, and there we go. So that one can be loaded successfully. I'm not sure why the other one could not. Yeah, so that loaded. Let's see. Alright, so let's try doing this. So they actually do. Alright, so we have the renderer. So we need a rectangle. Alright, let's create that actually. Let me see here. Alright, so this can load now. Let's make an SDL rect. And we will call it word1. Sure. Word1. SDL texture. Word texture1. Right, then I think we can pass that all. Get text and rect renderer. It's just ren 0 hello font, and texture is word texture1 and word1. Okay, so now if we create this function, word get text and rect get rect renderer in x into y get text as well as ktf font dl texture double pointer dl rect is a single pointer to rect. Okay. Let's see if we can get something working. Yes, this just it's gray or something, right? Or black, white, one of those. So, yeah, render. So I might need to use the service that I already have. Color texture equals SDL create texture from surface. Okay. Surface W equals surface H. Okay. SDL free surface. Okay. And set the coordinates. Alright, so let's see if this will do anything. Alright, no errors, alright. So it didn't display anything. Thinking that's because of the surface, right? So let's see if we can do this and we pass that surface. I don't know if that would actually do that, but we can try it. I'll just put it here, so I'm probably gonna remove it. And yeah, so we passed the surface. Oh yeah, so that didn't actually. Alright, and let me. Okay, so why is it not rendered? Oh, I didn't actually do the rendering stuff. Okay, that's just setting everything up, and then in the event loop. Right, actually it's outside of the event. So in here, SDL set render draw color to render 0 0 0 0. Okay. SDL render clear when. Okay. SDL render copy of render word texture 1 null and word 1. SDL render present when. Alright, and we have to destroy the texture at the end. Word. Okay. Alright, now we have some errors. So, okay, so that is 151. Alright, so this needs to be actually, there we go. Alright, and another error. Okay, word text. Yeah, texture. Alright, and I did the same thing on 212. Okay. Alright, so it still doesn't render. Uh-huh. So why does it do that? Is it because we have two things going? I'm pretty sure we still have just the one renderer. Building Pong in C. Nice. Yes, indeed. Thank you. Yeah. So I've never done any game development in C before, so that's something I'm trying. And yeah, building Pong today. So yeah, I don't really know that much of what I'm doing. So forgive me for anything that I do that is stupid. I'm starting out in C2. Nice, nice. Do you have any have you used any other languages before, or are you like completely new? Okay, so this is a problem. This is a problem here. Alright, let me grab those. And I'll need to set them up down, not there. Up here. Alright, so render copy. I can go under those. This can go at the top. Alright, and I already did that, so. Oh yeah, we got some text. Got some text. Alright, so it was in the top left. I have programmed in JavaScript for it. Okay, nice, nice. I enjoy C quite a bit. And I have used JavaScript as well. Yeah, I like C. Like JavaScript, doing web development stuff. I'm not really into that much. I like lower level stuff like C. So yes. So I quite enjoy it. forgot what I was doing. Oh yeah, so now we should be able to change this to like a number, right? Display a number. Yes, there we go. So 1 is in the top left. So let's see, where can we change the font size? Right here, probably. 48 is probably good. Yeah. All right. So probably 64. All right, and now if we run that, okay. Now we have a number, so we need another one. But we need to also change it, so I don't know if we can do that. Nice. I want to try to get into building desktop applications, which is why I'm picking up C. Yeah. Usually, like C++ is used for that, because it's object oriented, where C is not. But you can obviously do it in C. So, and it can be a good language for that. Where is this? Okay. So can I? Might not be a good idea. But let me try that. Alright, so what is that going to do? Alright, and so I'm going to try to change that as well. So I need to do player score equals no. Size up times 4. Probably won't get beyond that. So D, and we'll pass in the player.score. And then we'll put score here. Alright, 0, 1. Alright, so that is what I wanted actually. So yes, alright, so that is very close now. So we can see the player score now. So we need player score and enemy score. So let's see. Enemy score, if I can spell. Okay. So this can be player score. And then, so this isn't gonna work, because I'm gonna have to make a whole new texture and everything for it. But, so I'm not sure what it's gonna do actually. Okay. Enemy, so what? Oh yeah, it's not called enemy. I need to rename that. Oops. Alright, so now it just displays the enemy score, because we do that last. So let's change this to texture 2. Alright, I could probably make better names, but I'll do that later. Alright, and now if I go down here, let's see, all the way down here, I need to do this again, but with the 2. And then we also want to change the coordinate. So where do we set those actually? That's set in here. Oh, no, it's not. But yeah. Alright, so yeah, now they are overlapping. So we just need to change the coordinates of it. That is here. Alright, so if we do that at 0, and then width and height, actually 0. Alright, perhaps it is the other way around actually. No. Okay, where? Alright, so it is defined up at the top, okay? Alright, X and then Y. X and then Y. So yeah. So Y does width minus 50 or something like that now. Alright, so that would work. Let's see. Let's do width divided by 2. And that should put it in the middle. Yeah, directly in the middle. So we can do width divided by 2. And if we wrap that up in parentheses, then we can add like 100, subtract 100. Yeah. So, shoot. That's actually the wrong way around. Right, yeah, because then the player gets score and the enemy gets score. Player, enemy. Alright, very nice. Right. Score, okay. Yes, that's the score for the player. Alright, so that's pretty good actually. So now we'll have like the strip in the middle, like how it looks in Pong. If I open up Pong game, you can see, yeah, there's like the lines in the middle. You can obviously see the difference, like the physics difference. It's quite a bit different. And also the ball goes all the way through and then it resets. I'll consider doing that. But yeah, it's pretty close already. So that is pretty cool. We could use another font. So let me actually see what fonts I have. If I do user share fonts, alright. Let's see. No. Ooh, there's a lot here. I don't know about that. Ubuntu. Yeah, could we use a different Ubuntu? What's R look like? Alright, yeah. Alright, that's fine. That's fine. Let's look at when it changes. Alright. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah. So basically what we have now, improve the physics and make the AI. Which I might be able to do that really quick actually. So I'm just thinking, if we just have it whenever it is less than, I can show you actually. So let's get rid of this so that we can't control it anymore. So now we just control the player and it'll just stay in the middle. Yeah. So now basically I think what we can do is if des2.y is less than ball.y and des2.y plus equals, let's see, how do we do it? Minus equal. Yeah. Plus equals speed divided by 30. And then do it the other way around. Right. Oh yeah, I need to do rect. Get rect. Right. Need to change it up here as well. Alright, and now... Alright, now it follows it. Can go out of bounds though. Yeah, so I think we can slow it down a little. Like divided by 50 perhaps? Alright, that's still pretty fast. Let's try it divided by 100. Alright, that looks a good bit better. Still pretty good though. I don't know if it can move. Like, if it's even possible. Yeah, because it always keeps track of it. Let's try like 500. I could just make an enemy speed thing, but that'd be harder because I have to change a lot more code. Yeah, so that's pretty slow. Dang. I think the physics system might make it possible for me to win this. No, it's just gonna be stuff like that, but yeah, definitely need to adjust the physics because this is not very good. Yeah, I can't change it really. Kind of just stuff like this. There we go. The enemy. Oh, should have got 2 scores. That's something that I have to fix. Now I got 2 more. Alright, let's try. Bang. Oh, okay, so it is possible now. With the with a better physics system, it'd be a good bit better. But this is something, you know. Yeah. So basically, the physics, I'm not sure how it works. Let's see. I was looking at it earlier. I did find. Let me close this actually. I did find something in here. Yeah. So this is like math. Yeah. I'm pretty sure C has like math, like these declared in the math.h library. C math.h cosine. Let me make sure. Yeah, cosine. So I think we could do that. Yeah. Right, or okay, let's see. Math. So yeah, I'll have to look into this some more. I'll make sure I'm getting it right. Because if we had that working well, it'd be a lot better again. And then we need to draw like the net in the middle, which that should be pretty easy. It's just basically making a texture and putting it in there. And then we need to add game reset. I don't know, how to win in Pong. Does it end after like 10 points or something? To win in Pong. In ping pong? No. In the game Pong. Does Pong end? I don't care about beer pong. Why is that what comes up? Alright, let's try Google. Game ends at 11. Oh, okay. Alright, going up to 11. Alright, so 21 or 11, depending on. That's like regular ping pong. Alright, so that should be pretty easy. So we need to reset it each time it goes out of bounds, and at the end say like game end or whatever, and then close the window. That should be pretty easy. So we're pretty close. This is technically functioning, you know, there's a score and everything. There's just some issues with it. And also, the moving is kind of not very fluid, so I need to fix that as well. Not very good at this though. Okay, well I think I will commit these changes. So let's see. So I fixed that issue. What was the issue that I fixed? I don't remember. Yeah, fixed collision issue. And added a scoring system with text which gets displayed to the screen. Cobb. Okay, and then I will push that. So now, if I go over here, yes indeed, there it is, in the chat. Let me make sure it worked. Alright, yes, so it got pushed. Okay, I should probably get, that's fine. Alright, oh shoot, that shouldn't be there. Do I not have to get it going? I do. Okay. Alright, and now cat.get ignore. It didn't work. Okay, let me actually just exit out of this. And from this. Alright, and put this. Okay. Get ignore. Alright. Edit and alright, hopefully that works. So get ignore to hide binary. Okay. Alright, and now hopefully that worked. Ta-da. Yes indeed. Alright, that's better. Alright, so that is gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.